let me run through how I do my top-down analysis. So starting on a daily time frame, the first thing I do is mark out the previous day high and the previous day low. Now, as you can see here, during the Asian session, we have already taken out the previous day high, which may give us an indication that we're going to be bearish for the day. Now dropping down to a 4-hour time frame, you can see we have a bearish 4-hour fair value gap, which has also closed below this previous swing low, which also gives us an indication that the market is going to potentially reverse. Now moving further down to the 1-hour time frame, we can see we also have a bearish fair value gap, which has again also broken this previous swing low. So as we are now trading within this fair value gap, we will drop down another time frame. So now we're on the 15-minute time frame. We can now start using the 3 lines and the 1 box. So for the first line is to mark out the Asian session high. For the second line is the Asian session low. So now we know from the daily time frame we've taken the previous day high. From the 4-hour and the hourly time frame, we can see that we're currently trading within the bearish fair value gap. And now on the 15-minute, we have the Asia high and the Asia low marked out. So for the next step is to wait for either side of the Asian session to be swept. And as you can see here, as soon as the European crossover started, we swept the Asian session high. So now we've had a sweep, we'll now drop down to a 5-minute time frame. And on the 5-minute time frame, you can clearly see here, we've had a change of character, which then also gives us that third line that we're looking for. This is also giving us a very strong indication that we're respecting this 1-hour fair value gap, as we've had a sweep of Asia high, and now we've also had a lower time frame change of character. Now for that one final box is the fair value gap. And to find the correct fair value gap will be in the leg down from the sweep that caused the change of character. So now you have the 3 lines and the 1 box marked out. Set your sell limit at 50% of the fair value gap with your stop loss just above the previous swing high, and you'll take profit down at Asia low. And there you can see, just from starting from a higher time frame, you're going to find much easier setups. As you can see, we've respected this 1 to 4 hour fair value gap. We've had a big displacement move down, causing a change of character on the lower time frame, which indicates it's respecting this higher time frame imbalance. Then with the 3 lines on the 1 box strategy that I use, we'll find the best entry points. As you can see here, it's tapped us in by the pip, and then once it's tapped us in, we've then flew down straight to our take profit. Now I teach exactly what I've just shown you in my Discord, so if you want to get involved, comment link and I will send you a free link to my Discord.